Meet the Wolfang GA100, the ultimate waterproof action camera that captures stunning 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 20 megapixel photos with incredible clarity. Waterproof up to 40 meters, it's perfect for snorkeling, diving, or any water adventure. With electronic image stabilization, Wi-Fi control, and versatile mounts, it's your perfect thrill-seeking partner. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K action camera, your ultimate adventure partner. Capture stunning 20MP photos and ultra-clear videos in 4K at 30 frames per second. With a waterproof case for diving up to 40 meters, adjustable view angles, electronic image stabilization and remote control, it's perfect for water sports and action-packed moments. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the ultimate waterproof action camera that shoots stunning 5.3K 60 videos and 27mm photos, all in a tough water-resistant design up to 10 meters. Compatible with advanced HB series lenses for epic landscapes, macro shots and cinematic filters, plus hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, perfect for all your adventures. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Akaso EK7000, the ultimate 4K 30 frames per second action camera that captures stunning 20 megapixel images and ultra-wide 170-degree footage. Waterproof with a handy case, it's perfect for water sports, plus you get remote control, Wi-Fi and a ton of free accessories. Capture your adventures clearly and share instantly. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black Accessory Bundle, the ultimate action camera kit. Capture stunning 5.3K 60 frames per second videos, photos up to 27 megapixels and epic slow-motion moments. Waterproof up to 10 meters with advanced stabilization, auto lens detection, and versatile HB series lenses for professional shots. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the DJI Osmo Action 4. Essential combo, the ultimate 4K action camera with a large 1.3-inch sensor that delivers stunning detail day or night. Waterproof up to 18 meters with incredible stabilization, slow motion at 120 frames per second, and a wide-angle lens. It's perfect for all your adventures, underwater, mountain biking or vlogging. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Capture every adventure in stunning ultra-high definition with the Akaso EK7000, a waterproof action camera featuring a wide 170-degree lens, 20 megapixel photos, and smooth 30 frames per second videos. Control it easily with the wrist remote, enjoy up to 90 minutes of recording with 2 rechargeable batteries, and share instantly using built-in Wi-Fi. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.